Pop, your egg roll, your favorite egg roll, Pop. Oh my God. You know, guys, like, after he ate his egg roll, guys. Come on. After he ate his egg roll, guys, he likes to go to the table. This is the only food that he likes to go to the table. Oh my gosh, too hot yet, Pop. Later, Pop, ha? Later, okay? Yeah. Okay, I will put one in your in the living room, okay? You know, guys, that's his favorite. He can eat like 3 egg rolls if you let him, guys. Yeah, he's crazy about the egg rolls. Sometimes I just transfer them around, move around. See you later.